Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today's episode we're going to be turning this Care Bear, an original 80s, I don't know, 82? Whatever, into a candle. Alright? And we're going to be using ComposiMold wax. Alright? Link in the description below if you'd like to buy some ComposiMold wax. Here we go! Now we're going to need a container to hold this Care Bear. This looks to be wide enough for him. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Then we're just going to put him down here in the bottom. We're going to use some ComposiMold to make the mold, and then we'll fill it up with the wax. Alright, let's get maybe about halfway and then put him in the freezer and then finish it up. That'll really lock him down in that mold. Yeah, probably like that. That'll be good. Very good. And we'll see you after the freezer. Alright, so now we're going to put a little bit of bubble buster on this guy. I should have done this before I started casting, but that's fine. Whoa! Alright, so you don't want to pour it too fast or this could happen. Aye way. So I overheated the ComposiMold. That melted the walls of my mold casing and went all over the table. Alright, welcome back. It is the next day, and this is nice and ready to peel off. So we're going to fix this mold instead of redo it. I found a lot of times it's easier just to fix a mistake. And this will get put back into the microwave and help make the rest of our mold here. Pour in our ComposiMold. And it covered the head. Perfect. put this up and let her dry and hopefully burn it later today.